Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, walk a little ahead of me, okay?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, you guys. Do not rock on my drone. Do not step on it.
$1,000.
Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay. Hold on, you guys walk slow, okay?
Everybody slow motion.
Wait. Let me see. See, follow. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Stay there. Hey, say what? Hold on, you guys, stay there. Okay. Okay, you know what? Screw this. Why is it trying to fly into? Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
It tried to fly into the. Okay. You know what? I'm done with this hat. I'm done. It tried to fly. It tried to fly into what?
What? Okay, so here's the thing.
What?
Why did you fly the drone over here?
Okay, you guys get out of the road. Come over here. Wait. Don't. Just stay right there. You guys, that was the most craziest thing I've ever seen this drone happen. Or happened to this drone. It almost flew into these power lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out of this app because before I break my drone, I'm probably never going to use this app again. But just for laughs, haha, because I don't want to end the video so quickly. Is this focused on my face? What's going on here? F11? Why is it at F11? What the freak? What's wrong with my camera? Okay, something is... What just happened? I don't know. Stop punching! You guys, jeez. Anyway, screw this. DJI is way more stable. Oh my god, it's like I'm so shaky. DJI app, where are you? Oh my god, that was so crazy. Where's it? The stupid DJI app, bro? What the heck?
Why you say
Apple.
stupid?
Oh, it's right here, this one. Hey, don't, watch out for the drone. Oh my god. That was unbelievably stressful, you guys. Come on, let's go.
On my hand. Ah! Not to see undies.
Pick up your pants too, Tony. See if we can cross this road.
Shut up, dog! Yeah, you jellyfish.
So much more stabler.
What?
With the DJI app. Probably better just do my own following me mode. Pontiana.
Yeah. What if you fly a drone all the way to the mountains?
All the way to the mountains?
And then you just record that and call it a video. Huh?
Why are you walking towards the road?
help. We have to help. Hey, let's try.
As you can tell, you guys don't go on the road. There you go. As you can tell, this app is way more steadier. Shauna, come on. This app is way more steadier, which I really like this app. Way more better than the Litchi app. I'm probably never going to use the Litchi app again. Come on, you guys. We gotta wait for... Alright, that's it for today's video, you guys. Basically, we are just walking to the stove. Out of the road, you guys. Not close to the road. Gotta be careful not to hit power lines or people. Ariel! Alright, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing an iPad giveaway. Don't I look like some type of weird Ninja Turtle? But, please consider subscribing. Right, I gotta bring the drone. Look at this little guy. Please consider subscribing before we do daily videos. We have a giveaway. You guys wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, so please consider subscribing, you guys. Thank you. I greatly appreciate you. I'm actually doing a lot right now. What are you going to tell?
And if you don't, then battle's gonna come for you, and it's the karma in your future.
Oh my God. Alright, you guys. We love you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Ariel! Ariel! Stay with me! Alright, Raya, can you help me carry this? Can you help me carry? Can somebody help me carry all this? You guys, help me carry something. Please. Wow, that's so dope. Can you help me? Raya, wait. No. Let's put the drone down. Hold on. Let's put the drone down. Oh my God, let's put the camera down. Oh my God. Wait for, hey, over here, you guys.